Hey, it's Ray, and this weekend is my birthday. So I'm gonna do a little birthday weekend vlog, and tonight is a birthday dinner with some of my friends at my friend Renelle's house. I just pulled up. We're gonna get everything ready and can't wait to show you guys this night. It's gonna be so amazing. I got some amazing brands to collab with me, so you're gonna see all of that, and yeah, hopefully I have enough storage to keep this up. But if you see me insert some vertical clips, it's because I also have to film for TikTok. So yes, bear with me. All right, so Tara from Dulce Picnics is here. She just started setting up. So I'm gonna show you guys a little before and after moment. So. And then Rin and I are gonna decorate this part and this area and this area and also this arch. So we'll do before and after here as well. So another awesome collab that I got to partner with for this party is Party Kit Network, and they gave me some reusable cups and plates and cutlery so that we don't have to use any type of disposables for the party. So super grateful for that, and it is eco-friendly, and yeah, I didn't have to buy any paper or plastic utensils. Okay, so it's a little after 6. I just finished getting ready. I am putting out the appetizers. We got some wild blue sushi from Amazon Fresh, so I'm gonna put those out right now and wait for people to get here. Hey, Steph.
Oh, hey.
So here is the official spread. We have Miss Donuts over here. They made these cute themed donuts. We have wild blue sushi, a little snack board, some cookies, veggies, and more sushi. So we're trying to make the little cocktails here. Took a little while for me to figure it out, but we good. Oh. So we're about to watch my little slideshow that I made. Hello. It's literally only a minute long, so dramatic.
It has music.
You guys can watch it on YouTube.
Happy birthday, dear Ray. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that chick can yourself. Wait. Oh my god. There we go.
Okay, see you later. So it's the next morning. It is Saturday morning. It's my actual birthday, and Dante is taking me on a little surprise brunch. We just arrived though, so it's not surprising anymore. We are at Orange Hill Restaurant. It's on the top of this beautiful mountain, or hill, obviously. So I'll show you guys. Okay, are you guys ready for this view? You did good, baby. You did good. I'm proud of you. I know it's hard to take me on dates as a little explorer baby, so this is nice. Alrighty, so our food just got here. Dante got the hangover hash, which is like a bunch of food. I don't know. I don't even know how to say it. And then I got these cutie fruity pebble pancakes. Aren't they adorable? And I honestly feel like I don't even like sweets that much, but these are just so cute. And then I ordered this super sweet strawberry lemonade. So I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, looks good. We had to come stop by my mom's to hang out with my mom and dad before we go to our Christmas farms.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. What about happy birthday to me?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Ray. Awesome.
Want to
Are you gonna wish me happy birthday for the vlog?
The mom. There's the mom.
Hi. So we just ate a bunch of the leftovers from last night's party, and we're gonna head out to the Christmas farms. It's about an hour from here, so not too bad, but it's gonna be like a 2-hour drive back home, so let's go to the Christmas farms. We just arrived at the 123 Farms for Christmas nights. Wow, how pretty. Okay, this place is literally a Christmas wonderland. There are lights, trees everywhere. Everything is so cute. You guys need to come check this place out. So we just got our food. Dante got a tomato bisque. I got vegetarian chili. And then I also got a lavender chai. Look how cute the little cup sleeve is. Look at this beautiful tree. Wow. Wow. Good morning. It is day 3 of the birthday vlog, and I just finished dropping off the party kit. I rented some tableware for the party so that we didn't have to buy any paper or plastic utensils, and she was so sweet. So it's a small business, and she gave me a little birthday gift when I dropped off the stuff. So gonna put her information in the description so that you can book your party kit too. It's just a great way to not use plastic or paper dishware, and so you don't have to buy like huge sets of cutlery and paper, and dishware, because I did have a dinner party for 10. And so I don't need like 10 plates because I would never host anything like that at my house. I don't know. It's just a good option if you are looking to be more eco-friendly for your parties. But yeah, next up, we're going to go to brunch. My friend Allie and Jess are going to meet here. And then we're heading to Palenque Kitchen in Costa Mesa. So we just arrived at brunch. Here with some of my friends. We are at Palenque in Costa Mesa. This little outdoor dining, let me show you guys. It is so freaking cute. Okay, so here's the little outdoor setup. Here are my friends. But yeah, this restaurant is so cute. They even have a little valet situation. We love that. Okay. So back home from brunch, I tried to get some content, but my phone ran out of storage and I was using my friend's phone to record, so sorry for the minimal content there. But now we are heading out to Adults Only, which is a bar in LA for Dante to perform with Breaking Sound. So that's kind of the end of the birthday vlog. I might insert some clips of him at the end here, but I hope you guys had a good time watching, and thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.